Class 12, poem name is A Thing of Beauty and poet name is by John Keats. If I'm talking about John Keats, then first you have to know about who was a British romantic poet and although trained to be a surgeon, Keats decided to devote himself wholly to poetry. Keats secret his power to sway and delight the readers lies primarily in his gift for perceiving the world and living his moods and aspiration in terms of language. The following is an excerpt from his poem Endymion, a poetic romance, and the poem is based on Greek legend, in which Endymion, a beauty young asphalt and poet who lived on Mount Latmos, had a vision of Cynthia, the moon goddess. The enchanted youth resolved to seek her out and so wandered away through the forest and down under the sea. Poet told clearly about the nature, beautiness by which one can understand what is true beauty, and a thing of beauty is a joy for evil. And the enchanted youth resolved to seek her out and so wandered away through the forest and down under the sea. You know very well about this poet John Keats, and now I will go through the poem also, then I will explain, then I will describe the poet also, so that you can understand clearly whatever told by the poet through this poem. And it is very meaningful poem also, and it is written about the poem. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. Its loveliness increase, it will never pass into nothingness, but will keep our quiet for us. And a sleep full of the sweet dreams and health and quiet breathing, therefore on every morrow are we breathing. A flowering bands to bind us to the earth, spite of despondence of the inhuman dearth, of the noble nature of the gloomy days, of all the unhealthy and orders darkened ways made for our searching. Yes, in spite of all, some shapes of beauty moves away the pale from our dark spirit. Such the sun, the moon, trees old and young, sprouting a steady boon for simple sheep, and such as daffodils with the green world they live in, and clear rills that they themselves are cooling covered make against the hot sun. Hot season, the mid forest. Now you have to know about told by the poet. Beautiful things given by God are a source of immense joy and pleasure, bring peace and calmness of the mind, uplift our gloomy souls, and provide hopes, containment of comfort. A beautiful thing never loses its charm but make a long-standing impression. जिसमें अच्छाई रहती है, जिस चीज़ में अच्छाइयाँ दिखती है, सुंदरता दिखती है, never lost its charm. वो अपने अच्छाई को कभी खोता नहीं है, but makes a long-standing impression. It is a constant and everlasting source of happiness. और वो सब दिन happiness देते रहता है. We experience the divine feeling on seeing beautiful things. A bird provides a grove which is peaceful, healthy, and close to nature, environmentally better, a sleep full of sweet dreams, health, and quiet breathing. We are surrounded with the beautiful sight and sounds of nature that bind us to the earth to live happily. Okay? And Keats, poet, lists the thing that cause suffering and pain to human soul. It includes jealousy, disappointment, lack of human qualities of hate and hurt like compassion. Love, ये जो इंसान में जो खुद जो कमियां हैं वो उनमें ही मिली हुई है जिनके कारण उनको कहीं ना कहीं हैप्पीनेस नहीं मिल पाती है. In spite of all his troubles and suffering, man still loves life and seeks joy from beautiful things of nature. Any manifestation of beauty dispels sadness and darkness from our lives, provide a soothing effect, and lifts our spirit also. The sun, the moon, big and small trees are provided shade to all. You know very well. ये सब कुछ हमें कुछ ना कुछ देता है. द डैफोडिल्स दैट स्प्रेड beauty and charm in the world of green, the clear release of the crescents and the touch the bird blooming musk rose in the forest and spread its sweet fragrance. If I'm talking about message of this poet, then beautiful objects of nature are plenty on earth: the sun, moon, big, small trees, and the daffodils. The world of green, the clear rays that quenches the thirst of the birds. Blooming musk rose in the forest of the spirit, its sweet fragrance, and the grandeur of mighty jade and their mighty tail are perennial source of joy and pleasure, which make life worth living. Man is inspired by beautiful things on earth to live happily. You know, आप सब जो इंस्पायर्ड किए जाते हो, जो भी चीज़ अच्छा ही सुंदरता चीज़ है उसी से हम सब इंस्पायर हो जाते हैं. In spite of troubles and suffering, nature's pour on us in grace, joy and dispels the gloom of pain and suffering. इस तरह से जो मैसेज है वो मैसेज पोइट ने इस पोएम के थ्रू देना चाहा पीपल को. ओके, लास्ट स्टेंजा में उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से बताया. किड्स, कंसिडर लवली टेल्स ऑफ मैटी डेड एंड इनलेस फाउंटेन ऑफ इमोर्टल ड्रिंक एंड एसोसिएट्स ग्रैंडियर विद द माइटी डेड बिकॉज स्प्लेंडर ऑफ देयर डीड्स inspire us and exert divine influence like a fountain spring from the edge of heaven. Okay, and this is not for you, for us, for man. इस अर्थ पर जो भी अवेलेबल है, जो कोई भी है, उनकी खुशी उन्हीं के हाथ में है. उनकी हैप्पीनेस बिल्कुल उनके हैंड में है एंड वो अपने हैप्पीनेस को बिल्कुल बहुत ही बेहतर कर सकता है. बस टोटली डिपेंड करता है कि वो नेचर से किस तरह से प्ले करता है, किस तरह से यूज करता है. थैंक यू.